Introducing the 6065 Parallel Battery Charger, engineered for efficiency, precision, and reliability. With a 30 amp output and the ability to charge up to 10 batteries in parallel within 24 hours, the 6065 is the go-to choice for busy shops. This powerful charger is designed to meet the high demands of modern automotive repair facilities, ensuring that technicians can keep their workflow uninterrupted. The 6065's advanced technology not only provides efficient charging, but also extends the lifespan of the batteries, making it a cost-effective solution. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy monitoring and adjustments, giving mechanics the control they need to optimize performance. Whether you're dealing with standard car batteries or more specialized units, the 6065 handles them all with ease. For any shop looking to enhance productivity and reliability, this charger is an indispensable tool.
In our shop, the 6065 has completely transformed the way we handle battery maintenance. Before, we struggled with inefficiencies and frequent downtimes. No more of that. Our shop is reliable, efficient, and always delivers. We've seen a significant improvement in our workflow, which has contributed to customer satisfaction. The 6065 has truly been a game changer for us.
Customer approved, built for performance. Our clients have noticed the difference too. They appreciate the quick turnaround and the reliability of their vehicle's battery performance post-service. The 6065 is not just a tool, it's an investment in quality, dependability, and trust.
The Model 6065 has made our operations so much more efficient. We no longer face the delays we used to, and our customers are happier than ever with the quick and reliable service we provide.
Proudly manufactured in St. Louis, Missouri, the 6065 represents over 70 years of American engineering excellence. Discover the power and efficiency of the 6065 Parallel Battery Charger. See our full line of chargers offering unparalleled performance and reliability, ensuring your shop is always ready. Visit AssociatedEquip.com to explore our extensive range of products. Don't forget to subscribe. Join our community of professionals and enthusiasts who has trusted Associated Equipment for their automotive charging solutions for more than 70 years.